Hi, welcome back. Another important learning in Excel. Let's try to compare true or false value between rows and columns in Excel. Let's try to understand this, how it works. If you'd like to learn more skills, please subscribe my channel, Raise Your Skills. Now, quickly, let's get back to the topic here. If you look at this, the name of the person, and this is age list 1, and this is age list 2. Okay. So when you compare age list 1 to which one is true or false, that we can able to find it out. It is simple. Just choose equal to. Okay. So this value, C column value, C5 column value, we are compared to D5 actually. Okay. So press enter. So 33 is equal to 33. That's why it came a true. Wherever it is not equal, C and D columns, it gives false. 44 equal to 44. 23 is not equal to 22. Okay, this is realist basically. If you look at this, here 23 and 33, wherever the false you can able to find it. This is one of the example. I'll try to compare. This is basically numbers I have compared. We can able to compare with any text for that matters. If we look at this, I would like to compare the spelling of name 1 and name 2. Okay, so equal to. So let's try to compare with name 2. I'm comparing with name 1. Okay, here it is false because you can find additional alphabet here in the similar way. Okay, if you look at this, so Varnika spelling is wrong, and Ganesha, he is here, so spelling is wrong. So you can able to compare like this. This is how you can able to work out comparing couple of columns. Now you got a doubt. What is the biggest advantage by comparing these two columns? Certain times you have a huge chunk of data, like tons of pages will be there. When you try to compare the data with a couple of columns or couple of rows, then it is useful. So when you learn with simple example, that will be applicable on major examples in your work practice actually. So I'll try to extend this example. So this is basically true and false comparing with couple of columns. In future, uh, maybe next video, I'll just try to do if by using if, how you can able to find true and false of couple of columns or couple of cells. That's it. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.